What's up, guys? I'm so glad you could join us today. We're vlogging because we vlog. Am I in the frame?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Just technical terms you ordinary people wouldn't understand. So we're gonna go thrifting because we're thrifty. Also broke. Thrift. T-H-R-ift. I don't want to go to the job.
I want to go to the restaurant.
If you ain't talking Vera Bradley, I don't.
That's actually good.
If I crop this.
What are you?
Don't compare Gucci to Walmart.
No, I found bathroom.
Okay.
Do you need some boxes? I kind of do. That looks like something like you.
Get it, I'm currently on the Make Us Sneaky Games.
No, your ass not hanging out.
When you don't have a butt, you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh. I think I'm gonna get these. The world isn't ready. You guys better watch out. Maybe if I just like. Yeah, no, nothing can fix that.
I got the moves. I got the moves. Oh.
So I don't know if this is a skirt or a tube top, but I'm gonna wear the tube top. No, stop. Again, I'm getting.
I love the side pocket
What?
right there. See it? The
This?
little hoop. Yeah.
What is that for? To put a water bottle? Why do those fit you?
I'm thicker than you.
What the? All you have to do is cut them and they're cute. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed, you know? And literally, if anyone has a butt out there and is just willing to, you know, like, spare me some, I'll start, a GoFundMe. I just looked at my bank account and got really upset.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're.
I would really just appreciate it if you gave me some, you know, tips and tricks on how to be thick, because that would just be really great. Why do those look better on you? I'm storing my life. I would do anything to have that problem.
I would do some illegal ass shit to have that problem.
Literally all I want is to be thick.
I got the moves. I got the moves.
I really feel like this is a child's skirt. I'm just wearing this tank top. It's only $1.50. I have negative $2.29 in my account, so we're gonna text my mom. This is cute, yeah? Did I get it? I literally just picked my wedgie. Thank you for that. I really feel like you haven't gotten anything. It's a sad time. So we didn't find anything at Salvation Army, so now we're going to the one, the only, the Holy Grail, the thrift store of all thrift stores, the Big Mama, Goodwill. Give up. Go get food.
Am I right, ladies? Can I have an 8 count?
When they give you ranch instead of honey mustard,
The fuck? Chick away. Chick away. Chick away. Chick away. Hey, update. I didn't find anything. But Lilo bought some dang ass shoes. Show 'em, Lilo.
Nike, I would say that it's a steal. Nike for what, $48?
Guess what size they are? Size 4.
4. We love a tiny queen, yes!
I almost shat my pants at Dick's.
No, not almost. She did. She really did do that. I still have a problem. A shopping problem. But it's fine. We don't want to talk about it. So.
Chicken!
Thank you so for watching. Subscribe down below. And time to take nap. I take nap right here. We're going home, taking a nap. Thanks for coming on this crazy journey that is thrift shopping. We just want to thank all our fans. Subscribe down below. And leave a comment. What's your favorite color? Where's your dream vacation? Also, I just really want to know.
What size is it?
Yeah. Wait.